Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are create a perfect square in Photoshop. Rotate it 45 degree to form a diamond. Duplicate the diamonds multiple times. Scale each duplicate differently to build a concentric formation. Reduce opacity as shapes expand outward. Also apply gradient overlay to the central diamond and add drop shadow to outer diamonds for layering. Group all shapes and convert to a small object. Apply motion blur to create expanding energy. Lower blur intensity for clarity. Add a glowing circles behind the center diamond. Adjust saturation for visual balance. Add noise textures for richness. Increase contrast for definition. These techniques produce a dynamic geometric energy.